Class 11 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COHSEM Manipur. Unit 3 Coordinate Geometry. Topic Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry. Subtopic Coordinate Axes and Coordinate Planes in 3 dimensions. Coordinates of a point. Exercise 12.1. Rectangular axis. Three mutually perpendicular lines x o x dash, y o y dash, and z o z dash intersecting at O. X o x dash, y o y dash, z o z dash. These are three mutually perpendicular straight lines intersecting at O. These lines are called x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis respectively, and the point O is called origin. These axes are called coordinate axes. Coordinate planes. The plane containing x-axis and y-axis is called xy plane, and that containing y-axis and z-axis is yz plane, and z-axis and x-axis is called xz plane. These planes are called coordinate planes. That is in this figure. The x-axis, the plane containing x-axis and y-axis is called xy plane, and the plane containing y-axis and z-axis is called yz plane, and the plane containing x-axis and z-axis is called xy plane. These planes are called coordinate planes. Octanes. The three coordinate planes divide the space into 8 parts called octanes. The three coordinate planes, that is xy plane, yz plane, xz plane, divide the space into 8 equal parts called octanes. Coordinates of a point in space. Let x, y, z be the distances of a point P in space from yz, xz, xy planes respectively. As in this picture, x is what? X is the distance of the point P from yz plane, xyz plane, and y is the distance of the point P from xz plane, and z is the distance of the point P from xy plane respectively. The ordered triplet xyz are called the coordinates of the point P. If we note this number taken in this order, we can locate the position or determine the position of the point P in space. Therefore, these ordered triplets are called coordinates of the point P. The names of octanes and signs of coordinates are given. Octanes. Octane Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coordinates x, y, z. The sign of the coordinates in the first quadrant. First octane, that is x coordinate. In the first octane, that is the plane, the ray containing, the octane containing ray OX, OY, OZ is called plane octane 1. The coordinates of any point on this plane is the sign of the coordinates are x coordinate positive, y coordinate are positive, z coordinate is also positive. And the octane containing OX dash, O ray, OY, OZ ray is called second octane, and the sign of the coordinates of any point on this octane is minus, plus, plus. And similarly, third octane is the ray containing OX dash, OY dash, OZ, and the signs of the coordinates of any point on this octane is minus, minus, plus. And the Roman number 4, that is octane 4, is the octane containing OX, OY dash, OZ ray. The signs of the coordinates of any point on this octane is positive, minus, plus. And for Roman number 5, this is the octane containing OX, OY, OZ dash. The signs of the coordinates of any point on this octane is plus, 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 minus. Similarly, others. Exercise 12.1. A point is on the x-axis. What are its y-coordinate and z-coordinates? Suppose this is positive direction of x-axis, this is positive direction of y-axis, this is positive direction of z-axis. A point lies on this point. A point lies on this x-axis. What are the coordinates of this point? It is at a distance x from the origin, and its x-coordinate is 0, y-coordinate is 0, z-coordinate, there is no up or down movement, so its coordinate will be this. The y-coordinate equal to 0 and z-coordinate equal to 0 for any point on x-axis. Therefore, its y-coordinate is 0, z-coordinate is 0. A point is in the xz plane. xz plane. xz plane. In this figure, the xz plane is this. A point is in the xz plane. What can you say about its y-coordinate? Suppose in xz plane there is a point whose y-coordinate is what? What can you say about its y-coordinate? Its y-coordinate will be 0, that as there is no movement along the positive direction of y-axis, and there is no movement on the negative side of the y-axis. Therefore, its y-coordinate must be 0. At xz plane, y-coordinate equal to 0. Question number 3. Name the octanes in which the following points lie. 1, 2, 3. As in this picture, the point 1, 2, 3 lies in octane 1. And 4, minus 2, 3. 4, minus 2, 3. 4, minus 2, 3. That is lie in the 7th octane. 4, minus 2, 3. 4, minus 2, 3. In the which lie in the 4 octane. And 4 minus 2 minus 5. 4 minus 2 lies in octane 8. 4, 2 minus 5 lies in octane 5. Minus 4, 2 minus 5 lies in octane 6. Minus 4, 2, 5 lies in octane 2. Minus 3, minus 1, 6. 6 lie in the octane 3. 2 minus 4 minus 7 lies in octane 7. 4. Fill in the blanks. 1. The x-axis and y-axis taken together determine a plane known as xy plane. The coordinates of the points in the xy plane are of the form. The coordinates of the points in the xy plane are of the form x, 0, 0. Coordinate planes divide the space into 8 octanes. Thank you for watching video.